Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where fiber arts meet creativity. Today we are excited to share with you our beautiful crochet bags patterns that's perfect for beginners. These stunning bags are made using yarn and hooks. It's a great project for those who want to practice their stitches while creating something functional and stylish. We will using this stitch to create a beautiful texture and the colors to give it a modern look. Don't worry, if you are new to crochet, we will guide each step. Let's get started. First we create a foundation chain. Then we will work on the body of the bag. Finally, we will add the steps and finishing touch. Hope so you like all the different design and different collection. If you want to see more ideas and if you want to see more details about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. So please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and then press option all to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. If you want to knit a crochet granny square bags, you knit a beautiful granny square and attach with each other and make all the ideas easily. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want to see more ideas about crochet work such as crochet work bags, crochet work fingerless gloves, neck warmers, crop top, girls outfit, cardigans and different details, ideas, different DIY tutorials and different collections, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video and I will upload it full DIY tutorial for you. All the crochet bags are easy to knit at home. I will explain you full detail with step by step. Thanks for joining us. Hope so you like this different design and different collection. If you want to see more ideas, so please tell me in comment section. And if you want to create all the different design, so please share this creativity with us with the help of using hashtag and different detail. Hope so you like this different detail and different ideas. Keep watching my more different patterns till end. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting. Take care of yourself. Like this video and share with your friends and others. Take care. Bye bye.